you're here in my channel. You have seen my thumbnail, you have seen my title, how to hold the bamboo flute. Well, you're so correct. But before that, maybe you're not subscribed to my channel yet. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to tick the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you will be notified to my next videos, and you can also like and share and comment to my videos also. So for now, I will be teaching you how to hold the bamboo flute. Are you ready? Let's go. Before you learn how to play a bamboo flute, you'll need to know how to hold one properly. A transverse flute like this is played with the open end of the flute or the end of the rubber tip for the walking stick flutes, pointing to the right, as you can see this one. It does not matter if you are left-handed or right-handed. The correct way to hold a transverse flute is to place left hand, this one, on the outside of the flute so that your palm is facing you. As you can see, my palm is facing me. The first 3 fingers on your left hand will work the top 3 fingers holes closest to the mouth hole. Here. 1, 2, 3. So these are the 3 holes. Your right hand, this is my right hand. Your right hand is placed below the left hand with the back of your palm facing you. The first 3 fingers of your right hand work the bottom 3 holes. Okay, balance the flute using the thumb and forefinger of your left hand and the thumb and the little finger of your right hand. When you place the bamboo flute against your lip, this will also aid in holding the flute in place. Okay. This is how you're gonna place your fingers on your bamboo flute. Okay, it's your turn to do it. The pointer, the middle finger, and the ring finger. Look. And this one, the pointer, the middle finger, the ring finger, and my pinky. Okay, here we go. The flute is now ready to be blown. Okay, so will you do it by yourself too? Can I have a thumbs up? Okay, do it now. Before you learn how to play a bamboo flute, you will need to know how to hold a bamboo properly. A transverse flute like this is played with the open end of the flute or the end of the rubber tip for walking sticks flute, pointing to the right. It does not matter if you are left-handed or right-handed. Now, the correct way to hold a transverse flute is to place your left hand, here's my left hand, on the outside of the flute so that your palm is facing you. Look at me. This palm is facing me. This is my left hand. And the first 3 fingers of your left hand will work with the top 3 fingers holes closest to the mouth. So, where can you see the top 3 holes? This one, and the next one. Again, the first 3 holes should be for your left hand, for your left fingers. This is your pointer. This is your middle finger. This one is your ring finger, and this one is your pinky. You'll be using your 3 fingers, the pointer, the middle finger, and the ring finger. So let's cover this one here. And your right hand is placed below the left hand with the back of your palm facing you. As you can see, the first 3 fingers of your right hand will work the bottom 3 holes, the bottom 4 holes here. This is the pointer, this is the middle finger, and this one is the ring finger, of course, the pinky. Okay, let's cover it with the pointer, the middle finger, and this ring finger, and of course your pinky. Okay, so this is going to be the location of your fingers. This is how you're gonna cover all the holes using your left hand and right hand. Okay, don't forget your thumb, your left thumb should cover or should support the back of your flute, and the other thumb should be here at the back of the flute to support this flute. So I hope you guys have learned something from my video today. Can you do it also? Okay, the first 3 fingers here, the 4 fingers here. Okay, is it now clear? Will you do the same? Okay, thank you.